Alright, so special thanks to OneBeat for sending me their 2-pack travel adapter. Something that went handy for us as we continue to travel. Now, nothing around the box really. Nothing even on the back besides the sticker. So let's open it up. Ooh, I like the packaging so far. Second one, that's it for the box. So, looks like, yeah, these are for a totally different country, as you can see, but they have all of the standard US plugs on them. So if we were to travel to this country, we'd be able to just plug right in, boom, and then we can plug in all of our stuff, including a USB-C as well as 2 USB-A cables. So this could very much come in handy. Now, no, this does not change or anything like that. It is what it is. This one is also the exact same way, doesn't change, and has your 3 regular American USB outlets with 1 USB-C and 2 USB-A's. So that will essentially do it for this unboxing. These would be very helpful, definitely if you're traveling from America to overseas where you need this kind of lug. So very nice. Thank you guys for watching. That'll do it for this one. We'll see you next time. Deuces.